Self-destruct sequence
What is
activated.
up, guys? We are playing wall ball. I'm not wearing shoes. Okay, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. I got 1 point. What? Mine's 0-0. Ow, you made the face. I get a point.
Hello.
TMI.
Was that a
Come on,
scratchy?
Gustav. Don't be a baby. Everybody on camera is calling you a baby right now.
Yeah.
Come on, Gustav, stop being a baby.
Oh my gosh. What
Gustav,
the
say you're a
heck?
baby. He's a baby. Dude, this
Oh,
wall up here.
a
Probably my
good-
friend Charlie. He's only like, well, he's only 3 years old. He could probably destroy him.
Yeah, that's true, and I am the helper.
Wow, look at this kid.
Dude, he cannot shoot a. He can't even kill a fly, and flies are so easy to kill. Right? And he's good at smash
He has
all
to
the
get shoes on.
How about you shut up, please?
Come on, Gustav, do it. Come on. Is this gonna be
By the way, the recorder is Bella. She's a really stupid girl.
I think I messed up.
What is up, guys? Today we're playing wall ball. I'm wearing no shoes right now. And yeah, let's just play wall ball. New ball. Super playground. Let's go. Let's get some. Look at that. Go
By the
get
way,
it.
his real name is Carlos.
You guys already know that. They already know that. Okay. This might be another rage quit video where he rage quits.
Hey, you touched it, so I
But you
get
didn't hit it, so come on, go.
Dude, how was supposed to get that?
Come on, let's go.
She shake the camera. She just moved it over there and then she turned back.
He's rage quitting.
He touched it.
So,
And he kicked it. So I get points. 2 points.
so I'm sorry we're gonna have to stop the video. My brother might punch us. Let's see. Let's see what he does.
Rage quit. Rage quit.